Hey, Mike Marlowe with Wintergreen Corporation. I got a great product to help brighten up your backyard, your event space, or even your cafe, lounge, business area. Let me show you this product right now. So you might have worked with some patio lights in the past, and some of those bulbs might have broken or not worked. What we do is we have a Shatterproof bulb for you in these great kits that we have behind me. And so one of these kits, obviously you got a drop, which you got a little bit longer area this way, or you have a no drop kit. And some of these kits are going to be in 10, 15, and 25 lights, but the perfect part is that there's different spacing in between the lights, which you're going to have an 18-inch, a 24-inch, or a 36 options. All right, one of the features I want to talk about is this is a 20,000 hour bulb. But the great thing is it is a removable bulb, so we call that retro. You can kind of replace them. So if you ever have a bulb that might look like this, but you want it to be turned on, we do have spare bulbs that you can just get in, and voila, it's on. All right, so a couple features I want to make sure you really know is the cord that we use here is a commercial grade outdoor use cord. You can plug end to end on a lot of different sets to be able to put that together. And another thing that's really important is that we created a designed boot area where the bulb really is snug in there when you tighten it up. So then there's no water that's going to get in there. So it's really for all seasons. All right, as always, I need a favor. I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to our page. It really helps us out because we're going to have so much more videos coming up. And one of the things too, just so you know, these kits that I was talking about, these are commercial grade kits. They're not something you're going to find in the retail stores that you might be going to all the time. We really want to make sure that we brighten up your space with our products. So go out and brighten it up.